pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Of Green and Jasper. Now I'm here to say international and national news. International news. Trump wants Iran to reach nuclear within the deadline. National news. Modi meets a startup CEO to discuss about AI in agriculture, education, environment, and data governance in India. Thank you. Have a good day.
Today's state and sports news is brought to you by Geetanjali from Grain and Jasper. And today's state news. Telangana DCA issues showcase notices to 166 medical shops for illegal sale of drugs. Sports news. India hopes for extended winning streak while South Africa wants to alter cricketing fortunes. Thank you and have a good day.
My name is Fazal of Grade 9 Jasper. Now I am here to tell weather report. Maximum temperature 34 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 22 degrees Celsius, precipitation 10%, humidity 30%, wind speed 10 km per hour. That's all today's. That's the end of today's news bulletin. Thank you.
Thank you to everyone gathered here. Today's thought is brought to you by Varney of Grayton Jr. And the thought goes like, don't be afraid of the storms in your life because they're preparing you to stand tall. I repeat it once again. Don't be afraid of the storms in your life because they are the ones that make you stronger. And the explanation of this thought is, this thought it reminds us that all challenges and all the hardships are not meant to destroy us, rather they are meant to shape us. Just like how trees grow deeper roots during storms, we also grow stronger with every struggle we face. And every difficulty teaches us patience, courage and resilience. So, instead of running from our tough times, face them bravely because they are preparing you to stand tall no matter how strong the wind blows. So, I hope that's today's thought and I hope it inspires you to make today amazing. And I hope you all have a good day ahead. Thank you.
This word of the day is brought to you by G. Sargauri from Grade 9 Jasper. Word stamina. It spells as STAMINA, meaning the ability of physical or mental strength to do something for a long time. Friends, please spell after me. Stamina. STAMINA. Thank you. Have a good day.
I'm Tanmay from Junior 10 Jasper. Now I'm here to talk about general facts about fruits. There are 4 different types of fruits: citrus fruits, drupes, prunes and berries. Citrus fruits comes under it is rich in fiber and they contain some antioxidants like flavonoids and vitamins. Next, coming to berries, raspberries, strawberries and blueberries, and it is very rich in anthocyanins, especially in cyanins. It helps us to fight against heart diseases and protect our brain cells. And coming to drupes, it contains fiber, minerals and vitamins. And coming to prunes, it has some minerals like fiber, and it is very good for our heart health and digestive system. That's all for today. Thank you.
I'm Lalita from Junior 10 Jasper, here to ask you GK questions. Question for grade 7. Which country is cocoa believed to originated from?
India.
I'll repeat my question once again. Which country is cocoa believed to originated from? Sorry, you didn't pick the correct answer. And the answer is India. Question for grade 8. Which country invented basketball? Yes, you picked the correct answer. And the answer is United States. Question for, let us appreciate them. Question for grade 9. Which country first participated in Kabaddi World Cup outside India? I'll repeat my question once again. Which country first participated in Kabaddi World Cup outside India?
Yes, you picked the correct answer, and the answer is Iran. Let us appreciate them. Open questions for all. Who is known as King of Basketball? I'll repeat my question once again. Who is known as King of Basketball? Michael Jordan. Sorry, you picked the wrong answer, and the answer is LeBron James. Thank you, and have a great day ahead.
Learning from defeat makes us stronger. A very happy morning to everyone. My name is Bhargavi. I am from Grade 9 Jasper. Today I am going to talk about an important cricketer. He is none other than Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli is one of the greatest cricketers in the world. He was born on 5th November 1988 in Delhi. He is famous for his batting skills and other formats of the cricket. He has served as captain for the Indian cricket team. He is famous for his strong determination and other formats of the cricket. His life teaches us the importance of discipline and determination. He is not only just player, he also inspires millions of people with his hard work and confidence. I want to end my speech with a quotation. Champions are made from hard work and discipline. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.